how to log in Facebook in Safari browser. So first of all, open your Safari browser, and then from here, simply tap on the search bar right here, then start typing facebook.com. After typing that, all you need to do is tap on this search button right here, and then this will take you to your Facebook login page. And in here, all you need to do is write down your mobile number or your email and the password of your Facebook account. So if you have in case forgotten your password, you can also tap on forgot password and go through the process of how to recover it. And in here, you can see I have written my email address. Now all you need to do is write down your password. So after doing that, all you need to do is tap on login. So if you want to save your login information, you can tap on save, or you can simply tap on not now. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully been logged into our Facebook account in your Safari browser. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.